What's up, guys? Here comes the charger. Ready? Turn on the remote. And don't worry about my feet either. I'll probably put some of that in there too. And start my car. Let's see. Okay, guys. Here comes the hellcat. Can you see the car? Uh-oh, she's stuck, but you guys can see her quite well. She got hung up on the boxes. Yeah, she got caught. She got caught on the boxes, mate. Alright. Oops. Looks like she couldn't make it up. Okay. I'm gonna zoom in on it, y'all, so you see the car there. She's gonna attempt to go up that jump there and then try to make it up. Oh! Oh! Oh no, we've had a rollover. God damn it. God damn it, mate. We just experienced our very first crash. I gotta line up those boxes just like that. So the car was able to flip, eh? Oh, it's got scratches on it, mate. Alright, here we go. We got the car back. Not right now, entertainment access. Not right now. Oh, shit. Well, now it's perfectly lined up. She's stuck again! There we go. Got her. She did a burnout, and if y'all wanted to see my feet, there you go. Alright. I don't know what's up with the car. God damn it. This car's not very good. It's not very good, I tell you. Alright. Pretty sure y'all saw my feet then. Yeah! Oh! We just crashed. Oh! Hellcat flipped upside down. Kind of scratching her paint a little. I'm going to clean her up after that. She came off the side. And she was rail grinding it like that. And then she flips upside down. And I think she scratched up her paint a little. Yeah, right there. A little bit. But she's okay nonetheless. Might as well try that again, maybe. There we go. You guys just love my feet, don't you? Well, link in the comment or... Uh-oh, she's gonna come and hit you guys. Oh! She's stuck up there now. Yeah, she got stuck again. It's so hard to maintain speed when you're trying to do this. Huh. There's the charger on the ramp. Oh, she hit you guys. Oh, she hit you guys again. I think she was trying to give you guys a kiss. Oh! She took out the ramp. Well, there's no more ramp there now. Oh, God. Alright, let's spin the camera around and see how fast she goes outside. You guys wanted to see that, right? You guys wanted to see how fast she goes? Well, let's stick the camera, if I can... If you guys want to see her see how fast she goes, then this is the video for you guys. Crap, I forgot. It's so hard to control a car while using your phone at the same time. So I gotta do this with 2 fingers actually. Where's the car? Oops. No! No, Peanut, go away! Look at that. Oh God, she went into the... Well, there's the charger. There's your charger, folks. She gave you a hell of a run today, didn't she? Now, if you want to see another video of this car, then... If you want to see another video of this car, leave a like in the comment. And yeah, I'll probably make another one of these cars of this car again. Peace out.